Good evening, students. Today I am going to continue the same topic, image formation by lenses. In the last video, I had discussed some image formations by convex lens using ray diagrams, and today I am going to continue the same topic. Now, the next position of object is at focus. So let us see, when object is placed at focus of convex lens, this is convex lens, this is principal axis, this is optical center, f1, it is 2f1, f2, it is 2f2. Now the object is at focus, so we place the object at focus. Now, according to rule, we can select any two rays. So we will draw one ray parallel to the principal axis. It is parallel to the principal axis, and after passing through the lens, according to rule, it will pass through the focus. So pass it through the focus, and we will pass another ray through optical center. It is passing through optical center. As you know, the ray which passes through optical center passes without deviation. So you can see these two rays are parallel and they are proceeding. So we suppose they will meet at infinity. So the position of image it will be at infinity. What is the nature of image? Nature of image is real and inverted. What about the size? Size of image is highly magnified because it will be at infinity. So highly magnified. Now we will discuss one more problem, one more position for convex lens when object is placed now object is placed between optical center and focus. When object is placed between optical center and focus. So let us see. This is optical center. It is f1, it is f2, 2f2, it is 2f1, it is f2, and it is 2f2. Now object is between optical center and focus. So we will place the object here. So we will draw one ray parallel to the principal axis like this, and it will pass through the focus. So pass it through the focus, and now draw another ray passing through optical center like this. So we can see that these two rays are expanding, so they will never meet at infinity. So we will proceed them in the back side like this. They appear to meet at this point in the back side. So here is the image. Let this is object AB. So A dash, B dash is image. So in this case, we can see that the image is on the same side of object. So now, what is the position of image? Position is on the same side of object. What is the nature? Because the rays are not really meeting at this point, so this image is virtual and erect. So nature of image is virtual and erect, and size of image, you can see it is bigger than object, so it is magnified. So now this is all about the image formation by convex lens for various positions of object when placed in front of convex lens. Now take a screenshot of it. Now we will discuss image formation by concave lens. How image is formed in case of concave lens. First case is when object is at infinity, so this is concave lens. This is optical center F1, 2F1, this is F2 and 2F2. So object is now at infinity. So the rays coming from infinity supposed to be parallel. So draw one ray parallel to the principal axis, and on the other side we will draw one more ray which is parallel to the principal axis. These two rays are parallel to the principal axis coming from infinity. So according to rule, it will diverge from the focus, and the same rule we will follow for this ray also. So after passing through the lens, these two rays diverge from the focus. So you can see these two rays appear to diverge from this point. So at focus there will be the image. So position of image, what is the position of image? Position of image is at focus. What is the nature of image? It is virtual and erect. Virtual and erect. And what about the size of image? Because the image is at focus and it is point size, so we will use the term highly diminished. The image is highly diminished. And now I will discuss one more position for the object. Now when object is placed between infinity and optical center. Object is placed between infinity and optical center. So let us see. This is principal axis. It is optical center F1. It is 2F1. It is F2 and it is 2F2. Now object is between infinity and optical center. So we can place object anywhere between infinity and optical center. So let us see, we place the object here. You can place the object anywhere before optical center and infinity. So according to rule, we will draw one ray parallel to the principal axis, and after passing through the lens, it will appear to diverge from the focus. It converges, and we will draw one more ray passing through optical center. So it is passing through optical center. As you know, the ray which passes through optical center, that passes without any deviation. Now you can see the two rays are intersecting at this point. So here is the image. This is the image. Let AB is object. So A dash, B dash is image. So now the position of image, you can see it is between optical center and focus. So position of image, it is between optical center and focus. And what is the nature of image? Nature of image is virtual and direct. And what about the size of image? You can see the image is smaller than object. So we will use the term the image is diminished. Now take a screenshot of it. Now this session is completed, and we will discuss some more topics in the next video, like magnification, lens formula, and sign convention for spherical lenses. Thank you, students.